Salam ya jamia. اليوم عندنا لغز جديد. We have a new puzzle today, and we are going to be learning how to combine lam and alif and lam. We are not going to be learning only how these letters connect or don't connect, but instead we're going to be talking about how we can use alif lam and lam alif to create meaning and actively communicate in effective ways. So there's going to be 3 levels of this puzzle. واحد, اثنين, ثلاثة. So first we have 2 letters, lam and alif, in their isolate positions. This means that nothing is connected on the right and nothing is connected on the left. However, with this plus sign here, we will be connecting them. If you take lam, which makes the l sound, l, lu, li, l sound that's in English, and we combine it with alif in this order, right to left, min al yamin ila al yasar, we have la. La yani no. No way, Jose. La, Jose. Abadan, never. Another thing that you'll notice here is this alif is not a social letter. So whether we have alif at the beginning of the word, the middle of the word, the end of the word, it will never connect on the left. That is something alif will never do. It's social on the right, but alif is not social on the left. So now take a look at the different level, level 2. You'll notice that the puzzle is a little bit different this time. Alif and lam have switched places. And this lam is different than this lam. They make the same sound. They both make the sound, but this lam is in the isolate position. Nothing's connected on the right and nothing's connected on the left. This lam, however, is following in alif. And since alif is not social, this lam is going to be in the initial position, writing the letter and exiting to the left. So alif, which does not connect, plus lam in the initial position creates alif lam, al. Al basically is the in Arabic. And this is where everything starts to get really, really interesting. Let's review. Lam plus alif equals la. La yani no. La means no. Alif plus lam equals alif lam. This makes the al sound. Al meaning the. If you know any English words that use al at the beginning of them, algebra, algebra, alchemy, alchemia, alcohol, alcohol, all of these words use al in it. So actually, if you see a word in English with al at the beginning, chances are it comes from Arabic. There is a chance. But now let's not focus on what alif lam explicitly is, and let's focus on what it does. Alif lam is the definite article in Arabic. It is the difference between a dog and the dog. That specific dog. The dog. Versus any dog. A dog, any dog, general. Alif lam is definite, the dog, where an indefinite is any dog, a dog. So let's look at that in Arabic. Right now, عندنا كلمتين. We have 2 words. كلب, kelb. Kelb means dog. Kelb yani dog. وعندنا we have bunni, bunni. Bunni is an adjective, and it means the color brown. So these 2 words together, kelb bunni, a brown dog. But watch this right here. So we're going to take alif lam and we're going to put it in front of kelb because we want to say al kelb, the dog. But one thing that's not working is the initial position of alif lam is not connecting to the initial position of kaf. So we must replace kaf with kaf in its medial position, and that will allow the lam to slide through. So there's this mechanical change to add lam. Let's watch that one more time over. So we'll take out the alif lam. We'll replace kaf with its initial form, kalb. We'll take kaf out, put kaf in its medial form, and then add alif lam, al-kalb. We went from a dog, any dog, general, to the dog. We're talking about a specific dog here. So now we have this sentence, the dog, brown. Al-kalb, bunni. The dog, brown. There's a missing word here. If you were going to say this in English, that logical word would be is, exactly. So the dog is brown. Alif Lam made one indefinite word definite, and that word is a noun. If that noun is followed by an adjective, you have a noun-adjective phrase. And this can go one of 2 ways. It could be a brown dog, or the dog is brown. It can go from a dog to the dog, to the dog is brown. But what if I want to say the brown dog, and I want to have this adjective in the subject describing the dog? In English, we can just say the brown dog, and the relates to both brown and dog. But in Arabic, things operate a little bit differently. Let's do that same switch we did earlier. We want to add that Alif Lam, but the ba is in its initial form, so it's not connecting. So we will replace that ba with ba in its medial form, put it through right here, al-bunni, the brown. So now we have al-kalb al-bunni, the brown dog. In Arabic, we need al, the definite article, to be both on the noun and the adjective in order for the definite article to be defining both the noun and the adjective as one unit. So let's go back. How do we go from al-kalb al-bunni, the brown dog, to the dog is brown? I'll make the moves, you say the words. Al-kalb bunni. Al-kalb bunni. The dog is brown. Now what if we just want to say a brown dog? I'll move the pieces, you give it a shot. And now we have kalb bunni, a brown dog. This pattern can apply to infinite other nouns and verbs. And now, with this simple definite article, alif plus lam, alif lam, you now are able to create noun-adjective phrases that are both indefinite, a noun-adjective, definite, the specific noun-adjective, as well as a nominal sentence. So I hope you enjoyed this today. This is the puzzle system that we created with Hurūf Laʿb, Letters Play. It's an original invention of mine, and I really hope you enjoyed this lesson. So if this was a useful refresher for you, I'm very glad. This is Hurūf La�b. This is our letter puzzle that we are creating at NC State University. I'm a grad student there who studies Arabic and language teaching and international studies and history, and we are trying to make the best Arabic learning puzzle out there. And if you would like to support us, please look at our website, www.huruflaab.org, HURUFORG.org, or just look in the description. Additionally, if you're an Arabic teacher, we would love it if you could fill out our survey below, or if you're just an Arabic language learner, we would love to find out who is interested. If you would like to join our mailing list, check out our website. We'd be glad to have you.